So how early do you get to the event that you're at to set up? Me, I'm a little on the anal side. I get here really early. Today I'm doing a bridal show. First bridal show I've ever done in my life. So I'm a little nervous, but it doesn't stop the fact that I get in here really early. Today, for a noon bridal show, I was here at 6 a.m. I've checked my booth. I've checked it twice and 3 times. I've gone around and looked at the facility and where everything is, where everybody else is, and how the traffic looks like it's going to flow. And of course, the staging of who I am and how I'm going to be seen. But all of that has to do with getting here early. And it's not even as much now about getting here early as it is, or about what I'm going to do and where I'm going to be, as much as it's going to be how I feel when I begin. I hate feeling rushed, and it's really easy to feel rushed when you're doing something that you've never done before. I've never done this before. In fact, some of the little shows I'm going to do over the next few weeks are going to be about the bridal show and my experience and how it went. So, once again, how early do you get to your event? And why do you get there early? And why do you not get there early? I'm Bill, this is Creative License, and tell me what you think in the comments below. Be sure to check out my workshop, Entertainment Experience, at entertainment-experience.com, and of course Electro Voice, my fabulous sponsor with some of the best speakers in the country. I'm Bill, and I'll see you next time on Creative License.